Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been exactly 1 year since I installed my front lip splitter kit on my Tesla Model Y. In this video, I want to do a review of how it's held up over that year, through all the harsh winter we've had here in the Midwest, all the summer, and all the time it's been out in the sun. I'm going to show you guys everything about it. Stay tuned to the end of the video and find out how you can win one of these front lip splitter kits completely free from EVBase as well. Let's get into it. So as I said in the intro, I installed this front lip splitter kit almost exactly 1 year ago. November of 2024 is when I installed it, and it has held up so well. As part of my job as doing these reviews on YouTube, I install and uninstall a lot of accessories on my Tesla to make thorough reviews for you guys. This is one thing that I've never uninstalled. I absolutely love this front lip kit. I think it really accentuates and sets off the front of my Model Y, and I absolutely love how it looks. I'm going to walk you guys all the way around it, show you if there's been any fading, any cracking, any issues with rock chips, or anything like that. Let's get started. If you remember the installation process, it comes down to a couple screws and using these push toggles down here that are already held in by your original kind of fascia on your car. You just kind of reuse the little holes that are there. So it's super simple to install that way. The actual front lip splitter kit comes in 3 different pieces, the 2 sides and the 1 middle. You kind of attach them together with some screws to get it all started and put it up to the car. On the car, it's also held together with a bunch of 3M tape that's kind of sticking these edges over here to the car. So I want to show you guys how well it's held up with that 3M tape the entire time. So all of these edges right here are just held on with that 3M tape, and they're actually rock solid still. They're super held on there. This has been through a whole winter being out in the sun. There's been no fading or issues like that. It's really held up extremely well. I want to come down here and show you guys underneath as well. That sun isn't working for me, but there's a couple screws you do put in as well. So here's one that kind of holds everything together. There's one matching one on the other side, but that really just attaches it to your front bumper as well as those push toggles. I've had no issues at all with any cracking, fading, rock chips, anything like that. It's held up extremely well, and I couldn't be more impressed with this front lip kit from EVBase. I want to point out how well the trim color actually matches the trim color of the other matte black on my Tesla. So that's kind of why I went with this design. I really like that matte black finish. I think it accentuates some of the other matte black trim finishes around my Tesla. So I really like how it looks. This front lip kit also comes in a gloss black, if that's more your style, a matte carbon fiber, or a gloss carbon fiber. So lots of different options there for installing one of these front lip kits. I just can't get over how well it's looked and how well it's held up over the year that I've had it installed on my Tesla. Now, if you followed the channel for a while, you know that I've also installed like a body kit, like a side skirt kit that fits on the bottom of my car, also from EVBase, also made out of that same awesome durable plastic, just like the front splitter kit. I took that off just for some height clearance, especially driving around in the snow here in the actual Midwest, stuff like that. But I really enjoyed the look of that kit as well. I've also installed a rear diffuser on my Model Y, which really sets off the back end. So if you're going for that super sleek, sporty look, I love all of the different pieces that you can customize your Tesla with from EVBase. They make some really high quality products. Obviously, they've held up really well. I love how my front splitter looks, and it's been held together really well. If you're interested in a front lip splitter kit like this for your Tesla, I'll leave a link to it down in the description from EVBase's website. Right now, it's their Black Friday sale. So everything on their website, you can get up to 26% off if you use my discount code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen, including this front lip kit or split. I think it's marked at like $200 right now. So using my 26% discount code takes it to like 147 bucks. Extremely cheap, extremely reliable, durable. I think you'd be really happy with it. I have a full install video on how I installed this. I'll also link that down in the description in case you want to check out how it's actually installed. But right now it's their biggest sale of the year, their Black Friday sale, November 2025. Go check it out. Tell them I sent you. Use my discount code GAMBLE1080 to help save more than any other discount they have going on their site right now. So now let's get into the giveaway details of this video. EVBase has partnered with me to sponsor this video to give away one of these front lip kits to a lucky viewer like you. All you have to do to enter the giveaway, like the video, be a subscriber to my channel, and leave a comment down below about why you want one of these front lip splitter kits. I think they look really cool, but let me know down below what you think about them. Which color would you pick? Why you'd pick that color? And just give me some details. I'm gonna go through the comments and pick one that really stands out to me. So try to make it appealing, and hopefully I'll pick your comment too. This giveaway will go live for 1 week after this video is posted. So check back in a week. I'll have a pinned comment at the top with my winner selected. So hopefully it works for you guys. I think it's really cool that they partnered with me to sponsor this video. These front lip kits really accentuate the front of your car. They also come in lots of different colors, so you get to pick the color you want, and they come for those Model Y Junipers. So if you don't have the Legacy Model Y and you have the Model Y Juniper, this front lip kit has a kit custom designed for that one too. So if you have that car, go ahead and enter that as well. Let's keep this contest local to the United States. They're not going to do worldwide shipping or anything like that. It's just going to be local to the United States. So you have to have a shipping address here and be comfortable with giving that information to EVBase. Appreciate you guys coming back and checking out the channel again. As always, I really appreciate all the support on this channel. Even if you're not a winner, go to EVBase, get something there using my discount code GAMBLE1080. It really helps me out. Saves you a ton of money right now on their Black Friday sale. It's a huge promotion. I think you don't want to miss it. So thank you guys for watching another video. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.